Greetings everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker. I just got these in the mail here. These are mud flaps for my Rivian R1T, but pretty much I used to have some T-wraps, mud flaps that sit in the back of the truck and in the front of the truck, and I'm here in my garage. And I removed them recently. One of my biggest issues I had with them was, if we take a walk over here to the front, is that it covered up this little arrow hole here, which obviously is designed for efficiency purposes. So it was nice though, because it prevented mud and garbage from getting in to the paint of the truck. But anyways, yeah, so I got rid of them and then shot and said, hey, we just released these new mud flaps, you want to check them out? And I was like, sure, send them over. If I like them, I'll make sure to leave a good review. If I don't like them, I'll make sure to provide feedback. So here we are. Really nice. Comes with these, which are for the front of the vehicle, and they're labeled. So for R1T, and actually, yeah, that's R1T. Actually, these might be the rear. Anyways, we'll take a look here. And then you have this one. Yeah, so front left, R1T, the big boy. And then you have the rears. Comes with nice instructions on how to do everything, as well as some tools. So you have the necessary tools right here, as well as some additional screws and just everything we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on installing one of these and follow along with this video and see how they look and feel. Okay, so I installed the first one right here on the driver front side. Here's what this looks like. So it uses one of the existing connecting points there, so you just have to loosen that screw up. And that, as you can see, it's the same as that. It comes with a replacement one that you can screw in, so it sits very nicely. And then on the bottom, that screw right there, that bolt, that bolt right there, that goes in there perfectly nice. And yeah, it is tight. Let's take a peek here. This is not going anywhere at all. There's an optional hole there if you want to screw in an additional screw to hold it in place, but it does come with double-sided adhesive there, so it will not go anywhere. Small little gap here, but again, this could just be a variant of the trim pieces on every vehicle, so I'm not going to be too worried about that. As you can see, it doesn't block this arrow cover here, so that's good. And yeah, it comes down a little bit further than some people might want, but it looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side, and then we'll do the rear. All right, here is the rear mud flap. This one was a little harder to put on, just because I'll show you that in a second, but these two come off. You put it right here, and then let's go down here to the bottom of the truck. You have this bolt here. Take out the one that's on there, you put this one in. This bolt is a little short, so it just took a little bit of finagling to get it in there, but this is not going anywhere. This is pretty tight. So I'm gonna go do the other side now, and then I'll report back. All right, so here's the finished product. These are the rear ones. And here are the front ones. Take a look at them, see what you guys think. They're pretty easy to install, no complaints. Here's the rear.